Hey guys, Mike here with Delta. Now I want to take just a second to talk to you about shims. Shims are a super useful construction tool to help you make some fine-tune adjustments when you're trying to level something, plumb something, or just close a gap. Now they come in two basic materials, wood or a composite, but they function exactly the same way. Basically all a shim is just a wedge, and this allows you to make some fine-tuned adjustments when you're trying to get everything just right while you're doing an install. So today I'm installing a bathtub, and you'll notice that I have a little bit of a gap behind my flange and my stud here, and I'm going to be securing a screw through the flange and into the stud. So as I tighten that screw, that flange is going to want to tighten up close to that stud, put in a little bit of undue stress as it closes that gap. So here's where a shim can be super helpful. I'm going to go ahead and take my shim and tuck it right back behind that flange, and that is essentially close the gap, so as I tighten the screw, keep everything nice and tight without having any undue stress there. Perfect. Now I've got a nice tight fit, keeping everything level and straight, thanks to my shim. Now if you want a clean break here, you can usually just break it off by hand. However, sometimes I like to use a utility knife to give it a little bit of a score right at the spot I want it to break at. And then just pull it towards myself. Perfect, it's just that easy.